Hi Ollie.
Hiya.
So tell us how you're getting ready for today's Explorer Day.
I'm going through the list, just checking that I have everything. So Bastion's here helping me.
Okay, brilliant.
And we just make sure we double check stuff. Bread, cheese, cucumber, carrots, all the vegetables.
So is that what you got in your bag?
So we've got
Here's your bag.
rice cakes in here.
Okay.
We've got like a little bag full of carrots and cucumbers in there. So there's lots of stuff for them to eat, and so they don't get hungry on the day.
So do you like stop along the way and
Yeah,
have lots of
we'll
snacks?
go for a walk, we'll stop halfway along, have a snack, and then we'll go have lunch once we get like our final camp and we'll set up rope swings and all that stuff.
Brilliant. Fantastic, thank you. We'll have a fantastic day.
You too.
There's the biscuits going in the bag.
Alright. I find this one a lot better on my back.
No, I'm sorry. I'm going to take that one back on it then. You can have that back now. Pausing the bag.
Tell me, Bastian, what are you doing?
So I'm preparing all the bottles of water for the expedition we're about to go on.
Take one
Pasta's ready to go then?
ready to go, yeah. You'll use something, right?
What enough for
Or we might cook popcorn on fire.
How do you do it on the fire?
When you build the fire, I always make a lattice fire, which is where you kind of row the wood up like this in lines. So you have some here and some here, so it's easier to have a pot stand on there, because we don't carry anything to stand the pot, so you can kind of create it so you can rest it on. And then I quite like getting the kids, they pour some of the popcorn into the pan and the oil, rest it on, and then when you hear it start to pop, rather than just leaving it, you need to pick it up and shake it every now and then so it doesn't burn on the bottom.
Brilliant. And then maybe sprinkling of a little bit of...
Depends if you want salt or sugar.
Oh, we'll have lovely salt. We'll have a lovely popcorn picnic today.
Yeah.
Tell me about the diaries.
Like the diaries are, so this will be our log for the day. So while we're out, the leader or anyone actually can make notes, take quotes from the kids, send a little story of the day.
Brilliant.
So then we give that to parents and they've got a bit of a reference point. And we also gather their people's favourite things. So at the end of the day we sit and say, all right, what did everyone enjoy and have a think, and then we go and get everyone's best bits.
Brilliant.
And they like that rhythm, it's nice.
Have a lovely day. I look forward to reading the diary.